Welcome to Platform Connections Tutorials. Positive marketing connecting e-commerce. Hi, in this tutorial we are going to go through how to create exports so that you can export your data and manage it in a bulk way rather than having to manage each individual item on a case-by-case basis. So to create an export, if you go to Product Manager, Export Manager, and then click Create Export, you'll have a number of different options which you'll need to select. Again, we're going to go through the individual export types in different individual tutorials, so we won't look at these individually at the moment. But for this tutorial purpose, I'm just going to select a products export. So my marketplace, I'm looking to export data for a given marketplace. So it might be eBay UK, but it might be for a specific website. So I'm going to choose for eBay UK from this particular demonstration. And then again for suppliers, we have customers who have 20, 30, 40,000 products. Downloading one great big file with all of those products in it can take a lot of time, but also B, can be a bit of a nightmare to manage once you've actually got the file open. So we give you the option to be able to select all suppliers, or indeed if you want to just look at a particular supplier so that you can manage that supplier's products and then import that and then come back and create another product for a different supplier. So once you've selected your options, click on Create Export, and that will then confirm that that you've actually created the export. And then you'll see in the listings here that we give you the product type. So you can see here it's a products export, where it's an export looking specifically at eBay UK, not at any other platform at all. The supplier is TFS, and the date and time we've requested it. Obviously it's not been completed yet. The status of that particular export, and also a bin icon for you to be able to delete the individual icon. So we are constantly running these exports, and this will be sat in a queue for when you're next in the queue. It will then start to run, and you can see here now that this particular request has actually been completed. And you've also got a download icon next to the bin icon. The download icon will enable you to be able to download a fresh copy of that particular export. But on another note, we will have also emailed you to confirm that the export has been completed, but B, the file is actually attached to that email as well. So you don't have to come back here, you don't have to go to your emails. We've given you both options for you to be able to decide which you want to use. Just from a housekeeping point of view, we do recommend that once you've actually finished using an export, deleting it both in your My Exports part of your account, but also the email that you've actually received from us. That will stop you from opening up or downloading a old export which has got old data in it, and then making amendments and pulling in a whole load of data that you weren't expecting it to. So for example, you may have items that in a previous export that you've set to not list on eBay, and in a new export you've overwritten that and you said yes, okay, we can list that item now. And if you import the old export, then all of those listings are going to be delisted and you're going to be back to square root one again. So just a bit of point of case for housekeeping. Delete what you finish with, and that will help you manage all of your exports. We hope this tutorial has been of use to you, and we look forward to seeing you soon.